Laptop or Chromebook? Which one is right for you? It's a common question, so let's break it down in 60 seconds. Think of a traditional laptop, running Windows or Mac OS as your all-in-one powerhouse. It has tons of local storage and can handle heavy-duty software like video editors, complex games, or professional design programs. If you need maximum performance and versatility for offline work, a laptop is your best bet. Now, what about a Chromebook? These run on Google's Chrome OS and are built for the internet. They're usually lighter, more affordable, and super fast for things like web browsing, writing documents in Google Docs, and streaming your favorite shows. They rely on cloud storage, so everything is saved online. So, the choice is simple. If most of your work and play happens in a web browser, a Chromebook is a fantastic, budget-friendly option. But if you need to run specialized, powerful applications, you'll definitely want a full-fledged laptop. Hope that helps you decide. For more tech tips, don't forget to subscribe.